Hi, in this video I will show you the data fetching capabilities of Search Console Helper. By default, when you start Search Console Helper, the last website you have been working with will be displayed along with its data. What I'm going to show you is starting from a blank slate, just so that you can see how it works. In the website portion, I'll select a website I want to work with. Let's say the Registren Cassette Test Info. In case I have way too many websites, I'm looking for my website and I don't want to scroll down, I'll simply start typing a string of text, hit enter, and the website that matches that string of text will be returned. I can also work with multiple websites. In fact, I can work with as many websites as I want to. So let's say I'm going to work with this one. I'll click OK. Next, I'll select the date interval. By default, you have options 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. These are periods that Google Search Console also allows you. You can also set your custom date, start date, end date, any period you like. If you have been using Search Console Helper for longer than 90 days, you can select all to display all available data. So let's say I'm going to work with that. I still need to select at least a search type. Of course, all three search types are available. You can select all of them or just one of them, or just any combination you want. Let's go with web. When I click that, Search Console Helper simply retrieves the data from your computer. All the data sits on your computer. There is no connection delays, no downtimes, no nothing. It's super fast. As you can see, and this is something that Google Search Console will not give you, is an overview from way back. So I have been collecting data for this website from July last year, which means I have 6 months plus of data here. And you can see it's going pretty nicely up, so I'm very happy with the performance of this website. Of course, I can select multiple search types. Another option that I have is select countries. I know that this particular website is targeting Germany and Austria, so let's say I just want to select those two countries. And there you go, the data is almost immediately retrieved. The same I can do with devices, desktop, mobile, tablet. If I want to just look at desktop data, I can do that. If I want to do just mobile data, I can do that. Widely different results, as you can see. Or I can select desktop and mobile, or whatever combination I like. All of these capabilities allow you to not only look at the data the way you want and analyze them, but also if you have a very large website, you know that there are limits in terms of how many data rows Google Search Console will give you. The online version is 1000 rows per request. If you have more than that, you're out of luck. With Search Console Helper, this is very different. First of all, every request we make, we can retrieve up to 5000 rows per request, and we can repeat those requests up to 200 times per minute. So basically, that gives you almost unlimited options to retrieve large sets of data. If you do have any additional needs, you can simply separate them by countries. Next I select Switzerland and Italy. I suppose this is Switzerland, and so on. All of this data is collected, or I can select all of them and retrieve all of them.